Improper integral of a to b of x dx were required to have finite domain of integration or finite integrand, right? That means that fx is finite, integrand is that fx is finite, or integral limit is finite, so we will call improper integral. Now the base example is that minus infinite to plus infinite 1 over 1 plus x square dx. This is, in the basis of this classification, it is first kind and it is second kind. Now minus infinite to c, we will take the integrand's limit that type also, minus infinite to plus infinite and c. So taking the limit is minus infinite to c and c to plus infinite. Finding out the limits integration is such that let's pick c is equals to 0. Firstly, we will take minus infinite to 0, 1 over 1 plus x square dx. So it limits of this is b tending to minus infinity. Tan in this is the limit of integration is that tan inverse x, and put the limit is b to 0, right? So this will become tan inverse 0, which is 0, and minus tan inverse b, which is minus pi by 2, which is pi by 2. Now similarly, the integrals limit of this, when we pick c is equals to 0 for this, so this is 0 to infinity 1 over 1 plus x square dx. Now the integral limits of this is tan inverse pi by 2, so tan inverse pi by 2 minus tan inverse 0, 0 is 0, and tan inverse pi by 2 is tan inverse infinite is equals to pi by 2. Now for finding the integrals limit, the means of this is the sum of this, then the sum of this. The sum of this is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is equals to pi. Now another example is that is 0 to infinity e to the power minus x dx, limit b tending to infinite 0 to b e to the power minus x dx. This will minus of e to the power minus x 0 to b, it will give minus of e to the power minus b plus 1. Limit b tending to infinity, taking limit of this will become 0. E to the power minus infinity is 0 and this limit is 1. Now as we know that the integrals 1 to infinite 1 over x to power p dx converts if p is greater than 2 and reverts if p is less than equals to 1. So example is that 1 over x to the power 3 by 2, 1 to infinite, it will converge because it's the limit of p is greater than to 1.